Hello guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I'm showing you how to remove green screen background in CapCut PC. So just place your target background environment asset on the main track, which I did, and drag your green screen footage onto the track directly above it, so it acts like an overlay layer. Alright guys, so if you just want to remove the background, the green screen, just click on the video, then you go to remove background, and then choose chroma key. Make sure that it's activated. Then guys, click on this pencil and then click on anywhere on your video. So you just click on this pencil, make sure that it's activated like this. And then as you can see, when I place my mouse cursor on top of video, now as you can see, the full green background is now removed. So just click anywhere on the video, doesn't really matter. As you can see, the color is automatically determined and picked. And now as you can see, it's perfectly removed, and I only have my subscriber and bell and notifications enabled text without any green background. And now, for example, if you want to edit a video, put it maybe in the end of the video like we do on our channel, you can just place it at the end and have this little cool subscriber animation. As you can see, I have right here. Now it's fully just black and only with elements inside. So that's it. This is actually even simpler than in apps like DaVinci Resolve, which is great. Enjoy, like and subscribe as always. See you soon, guys.